Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. We are running late to a very important appointment this morning, guys. And you guys can probably tell what kind of appointment it is based on the title of this video. Yes, we're heading to the airport right now. And that is because Nat's mom is finally in Canada again. It's been probably, what, 4 years? No, true. It's been quite a long time since she has been here.
Daddy, what are you doing with the phone?
I'm making a video. Yeah, it's been quite a long time since she's been here. Well, it's definitely over 4 years because Molly has never met her. And it's gonna be 4 years, so it's a while, right? So we're running late this morning for the airport pickup. We haven't heard from her over the past couple of hours, so we're not even sure if the flight is delayed or anything like that. So we're just going to the airport based on the schedule time for the flight to arrive.
I won't get any messages.
Yeah, based on the schedule time for the flight to arrive and so forth, so on. Yeah, really exciting. Malia will be meeting her grandmother for the first time, and Malika hasn't seen her grandmother in over 4 years. They speak on the phone quite often, maybe every week, quite a lot. So they know her and they talk to her and so forth, so on, but they just haven't met her in person. Well, Malia hasn't met her in person, right? So come along, guys, we're going to the airport, and just drop some good news in the comments. Leave some good reviews in the comments underneath this video, right? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and of course, like the video. All right, guys, let's go to the airport again.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love.
Guys, that's one of the downside of living so far up north in Grand Prairie, Alberta. It takes really long to travel. Well, not as long as other countries, but from Jamaica, typically, you have to take 3 planes to get to Grand Prairie. And she has been traveling for over 24 hours. Not a straight flight. She left Jamaica, what time? She left Jamaica 6:30 to head to the airport. And then it took her a couple of hours to get to the airport. Her flight was actually 12:45 in the afternoon. Then she left there, she got to Toronto. She had a short layover in Toronto, then she left Toronto close to midnight, get to Calgary, and then had a layover in Calgary as well, and then a short 1 hour 15 minutes flight from Calgary to Grand Prairie. From Jamaica to Toronto is estimatedly based on the flight time 4 hours, and then from Toronto to Calgary was roughly 4.5 hours. And then another 1 hour 15 minutes. So it's very mentally draining, right? So persons who live in Toronto, that's one of the perks that they can boast, that hey, one 4 hour flight, and they're in Jamaica, right? But to come Grand Prairie can be very draining based on the length of time it takes to get here. So I know that she's probably going to be very drained and exhausted from just the travel time, right? Although when you're traveling, really, the adrenaline keeps you going, but once you get to your destination, it's like a crash out. It's like a crash out for a day or two, and you're just in and out of sleep, jet lagged for a little while. So yeah, she's here visiting. I know we like to be transparent with you guys. She is here visiting right now. That's the status that she's on. And then, you know what, we see what the future holds. So drop comments right down below and say welcome to Canada again, mom, right? Those are the comments that we want to see. Not haven't had our morning coffee yet, so she still waking up. You get me? And furthermore, it's a work morning, so Nat is going to work. The kids have their usual drop off, and I'm the sacrificial lamb who is elected to stay home today. Do you want to stop at Walmart before or after? before. Yeah, I'm the sacrificial lamb who's gonna be staying home today, to make sure that she is comfortable and stuff like that. She hasn't seen our new house yet. When she was here the last time, we were still living in an apartment.
Our first apartment.
Yeah.
Our first apartment.
We're still living in our first apartment, so yeah, that's it. That's all. Let's continue on to the airport.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Yeah. Are you excited to meet Grandma? Are you excited to meet Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say welcome to Canada, Grandma.
Welcome to Canada. Daddy?
Yes, baby? What's up?
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on.
Say welcome to Canada, Grandma.
Welcome to Canada, Grandma.
Malika, you as well.
Grandma.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
Malika, you see the plane? Malika, you see the plane?
Gonna plane.
From the ground. And
Just reach.
I really wanna know, really wanna know. If I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Come, Malika. Mali, you're gonna have to leave a blanket in the car, okay? Yeah, Grandma's in the airport. Oops, sorry. Come, baby.
Inaaral ko rin si Nicky na
Like your sign.
Thank you.
Need a ride?
Yeah, it said something different.
Yes.
It's like, I just gotta make it plain and simple. Need a ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Thanks.
Malia, this is Grandma. Malika. Give Grandma a hug. Give Grandma a hug. That's your big. Hold on there. What up my head? No. Let's go, miss. No. Welcome back to Canada, Mom. Long flight. Man. Welcome back, man. Malia, come give Grandma a hug. Give Grandma a big hug. Can you keep putting her hand in her mouth?
A man to go be my habit.
Yeah.
Get right through.
Okay, so what was immigration?
No, give me no. Then them search my bag.
What is it?
Yeah, so
You trying to carry some party then, man?
I told you, I could get your man to go be enough. But you know what? Told them then give me a wheelchair. I will run up and down.
Okay. You could have carried the party then, man.
Yeah.
But them would have probably spoil.
That's why too.
Okay.
Time too hot, man. And I try to hot it now.
Yeah, you have Toronto hot, yeah. Them have heat wave right now. But a lot cooler than Jamaica for sure. And the Knoxford and everything was alright.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You know, soon we reach 5 o'clock.
I that not settled me.
One today.
I that when myself why you left out so early.
Head back out in some goods. Just 5 minutes, not even 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Who want go bathroom and stuff, and then go fall out. So do me trouble too. Cause my nose just have pain me.
Oh, yeah, it's sinus rough now.
No.
So everybody is work there, so that's like I work now.
Okay.
And then I said there was an oil spill on the plane.
I go. I want to go be there too, you know. I'll help you too.
But I don't know if I wouldn't trust the plane again. I think. But it wasn't delayed for long though.
No, man.
So that's good.
Just after your call.
Okay.
Was 5 minutes after.
Okay.
Then call back.
And it was a smooth flight.
Then move from the gate. We not go?
Yeah, I think that's get the email.
Get the email every time.
Yeah. And it was a smooth flight.
Yes.
Okay, now all Papa tour.
No, man. That one is smooth, but that one I come here now. I will it. That one I come.
GP supposed to look different here. Grand Prix supposed to look different. Not all that.
No.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. Still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep going till we hit the ground.
Yeah. Can I tell Grandma later? No? Okay. Come on, I'll hold the blanket for you. Come. Yeah guys, just dropping off Malia today home. Malia's been coming to the same day home from she's been 8 months. So almost family now, right? This is probably the definition of reverse migration. I know it's not reverse migration, but I mean in the sense that when you're in Jamaica and you have a family member coming from overseas, you're usually excited to see what they're going to take for you and stuff like that. You probably get a new shoes or a new shirt or whatever the case may be. But here, living overseas, in this case, living in Canada, we are excited about family members coming from Jamaica because of the goodies that they are taking for us. So let's go and see what we got. All right, guys. So we got some Scotch bonnet pepper. If you know, you know, guys. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Right? Big deal for us, that one right here. Next up, good old Wisdom toothbrush. Now, you guys probably hear me complain a whole lot about how soft the pillows and toothbrush are here in Canada. This is the toothbrush that we grew up using in Jamaica. Good old Wisdom toothbrush, and it's because it's so rock solid, tough, in other words, very, very hard. So this right here, very happy to have this, and of course we have a full case of Wisdom toothbrush right here, which is like 12. So let's kind of say we have a year's worth of Wisdom toothbrush until the next family member come up. Right? We wanted to give the kids some semblance of Jamaica, so we get these digestive chocolate, which is chocolate that, you know, we grew up eating in Jamaica as well. So Malia is gonna like that. Got a few chips here, Saldanza, plantain chips, and so forth, so on. This is more for Malia, so I'm not even excited about that. That can go back over there. So next up on the list, guys, we have some seasoning. Good old Jamaican seasoning. We have some jerk season. We have some all-purpose. We have some curry powder. We have some season to the bone. We have some, I don't know what that green season is, but we have it. I don't know what that is, but we have it. And I'm not sure what that is. It's like some form of chicken season. I think I can figure out that one. But we have it. Excited, guys. Like, being able to flavor your food to your satisfaction in terms of to Jamaican original taste, game changer. Now, the other thing that we have on the list is some good old Jamaican ginger. We have a bag of ginger right here, guys. So the ginger here is probably the knockoff version of ginger, for lack of a better term. It's not as strong, right? So this is a good old Jamaican ginger. So if you know Jamaican ginger, you know that it has a punch, it kick a punch, right? So we have some Jamaican ginger right here, guys. Behind the Jamaican ginger, we have some Jamaican thyme, which is the next thing. Let's see. Sheesh, sheesh. Hold on, guys. Guys, smelling this time right now is almost compared to smelling something else. Okay, let's keep it moving. We have some Jamaican scallion. Two different variations. We have the purple one and the regular one. To be quite frank, I don't know what the difference really is, but we're gonna figure out, right? So we have Jamaican scallion, so that's good. Now this right here is Nat's favorite, some spice bun. So Nat has all of these spice bun. She's gonna go crazy for these. Of course, Mom's been traveling, so they're kind of like not as round as they should be, but I don't think Nat will care. I will probably have one or two of these. I don't know, I'm on my own mission, so I can't indulge too much in these, but I will definitely be having one or two. And now, guys, this is a game changer right here. I saw Rochelle in Jamaica sitting down underneath a mango tree eating a mango, flexing on us, talking about where are you guys in Canada? Where are you guys in America? You know that little thing that's going around? Almost hyping on us. But guess what, guys? She won't be able to hype anymore because what? We got some East Indian. My favorite mango in the whole wide universe, right? Some of them, like this one, can have a little soft spot, but I don't care. It's gonna get devoured anyway. This one started the mission already. I couldn't wait, guys, so you get a video of half of this one because I started that mission already. So we have what? A few of these, but we're happy. I have this right here. This is a sulfur soap from the food store, not health food store, but the health store in Jamaica. So I am troubled, not troubled, but I'm troubled with liver spots ever since I was like a kid. So I find that this sulfur soap really helps a whole lot with that. I'm not able to get this here in Grand Prairie. I've never seen it here. So definitely this will be very helpful. So Mom brought that one. Good old Grace Vienna sausage. The sausage that we grew up eating in Jamaica. If you know, you know. Right? So we have quite a few of these, 6 actually. We have the regular ones and there's a few hot and spicy in between. We have sausage here, but the sausage is not the same. And you guys can attest to this if you guys find that the sausage here is very different than the sausage back in Jamaica. Right? So we have a few of these Malia. Pretty much all of us are gonna eat that one. So not even too perturbed by that. That's gonna be split straight across the board. First come, first serve kind of basis. If you know, you know. DPH. DPH. Listen. This medicine right here, guys, is one of the best sinus, allergy, cold and flu, pretty much everything in a bottle medicine that we grew up using in Jamaica. This one is open already because Malika get a dose already. Malika has sinus bothering her at the moment, so she's really and truly having a rough time. She's not in school, but 1 dose of this so far, and this is the result. This is the result. Have I told you guys how excited I am? Let's continue on with the list. Okay, we got a few nutmeg. Nutmeg. In Jamaica, we call it nutmeg or nutmeg. Nutmeg. If you know, you know. And we have a bottle of sentimental as well. This is also pretty helpful for fever and stuff like that. So any form of fever, pain, stuff like that. Sentimental is quick pain and fever relief for kids. So this is actually pretty good. So we have the sinus, cold and flu and allergy and everything right here. And then we have the sentimental for fever and stuff like of that nature, right? Then this is just some iron tablet that Nats used to take in Jamaica. That Mom took a few for her because Nats is borderline anemic, so she's always low on iron, so she has to take some from her supplements. And when she was pregnant, she had to go in and get her iron infusion. So yeah, this is just some iron pills for Nats. Okay guys, in our freezer right now we have 1 bag of breadfruit. Go on chilling, go on freezing, and we have some good old ackee right there. Now because Mom had to travel so far and long, these things started to melt. So the ackee started to get a little bit mushy, but we're trying to rescue the mission. We're trying to save the mission, so we're gonna freeze it again and see what's the result. And the breadfruit the same, started to melt. As a matter of fact, got completely melted because of the journey. But you know what, we're trying to save the mission, guys. We're trying to save the mission. I also have some pudding. So this right here is one of Nat's favorite thing as well. This is some potato pudding, homemade. This is really a Nat's thing. That part here is a Nat show. So I'm not even gonna dwell too much on that part. Have I already told you guys how excited I am? I think I have, but nonetheless, I'm gonna tell you guys again. I am really excited. But I'm even more excited because of the next item that I'm gonna show you guys. Now, this is something that I have not seen since 2019. Something that is very special to me and to Nats, and we have not been able to see this item since 2019. We had to do some level of reconstruction to get it here, get it over the water, get it over the, you know, the border, for lack of a better term. And we're really excited to have it here finally in Grand Prairie with us again. What are we talking about? Let me show you guys. So on our wedding day in Jamaica, we had a canva. So this was actually attached to a board something that you could hang on the wall and so forth, so on. But we have to take it off the board in order to transport it here, right? Now, this is something that we had at our wedding day, where all our guests made some notes to us on our wedding day. And let me tell you guys, this is so important to us. And we have not seen this since 2019. See, that's us, Natasha and Demar, February 2nd, 2019. Are we that, you know, guys? Are we that? And then these are all our guests. Man. These are all our guests and family and friends who are still in Jamaica, many of them. Some of them are in different countries, but it just take us back to those relationships that we had in Jamaica. Big up everybody who is on this Canva right here. Legit shout out to everybody on this right here right now. We still have it. We still have it, guys. It made it across the waters. It made it across the waters. It made it across the waters, guys. So we're gonna get it attached again to some like probably some I don't know what to call it, but probably a board or something, and then we're gonna be able to hang it on the wall, right? I really love the fact that the material, even though it's 2019, the ink and everything is still fresh. It's still fresh. Pictures and everything is still clean. Yes, guys. We got it. We got it. We got it. And on that note, guys, I'll end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this video as well, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, guys, see you guys in the next video.